If you're seeing the D3D compiler 43.dll error in Epic Games Launcher, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that can help get the launcher working again. This is a common issue, and in many cases you can solve it without doing anything complicated. So if you want a fast, simple fix, stay with me. And before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful PC troubleshooting videos. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets me keep making easy guides like this. First, let's start with the simplest fix. Restart your PC. A fresh restart can clear temporary system issues, reload important files, and fix small errors that may be preventing Epic Games Launcher from opening properly. Once your computer boots back up, try launching Epic Games again and see if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is to run Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. To do that, find the Epic Games Launcher shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions it may need to access the files it uses during startup. In some cases, the error appears because the app doesn't have enough permission to load certain components, so this step alone can make a big difference. If that still doesn't fix it, check your internet connection. Epic Games Launcher depends on a stable network connection to connect to its servers, verify files, and load account data. Make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is active, and try opening a few websites to confirm your internet is working properly. If your connection is unstable, restart your router or switch networks if possible, then try launching the app again. Now, if you've tried those steps and the D3D compiler 43.dll error is still showing, the final fix is to reinstall Epic Games Launcher. Sometimes the launcher files themselves can become corrupted or incomplete, and reinstalling gives you a clean copy of the software. To do this, uninstall Epic Games Launcher from your computer, restart your PC again, and then download the latest version directly from Epic Games. After installing it again, open the launcher and check whether the error is gone. A fresh reinstall often resolves missing file issues like this because it replaces damaged program components with new ones. So just to recap, restart your PC, run Epic Games Launcher as administrator, check your internet connection, and if needed, reinstall the launcher. These are the main steps that can help you quickly fix the D3D compiler 43.dll error. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, gaming fixes, and PC tutorials. And if you still have issues after trying these steps, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help.